66 days ago, I started an experimental promotion that now on average makes me $166 a day from one income stream, and another $76 a day from another income stream. That's over $6,000 in residual, hands-free, do-nothing-get-paid commissions every single month. I could literally do nothing all day right now, which most days is kind of my day anyways. I enjoy swimming and bar hopping, and still, those residuals will continue coming in and even growing. So, I'm pretty happy, and more importantly, I'm free in every sense you can describe freedom. Through this promotion, I recruited over 800 members, 806 to be exact, and I did it all without Zoom calls, without one-on-one meetings, and without three-way calls, and I worked less than 2 hours a day in the process. How the heck did I pull that off? It's simple, I just used this system. Ask yourself, is it worth it for you to invest the next few months of your life to build something that can break the chains you got holding you back from your best life? If the answer is yes, click here and get started.